girl. Am I giving you Bratz vibe? Huh? Welcome back to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Autumn, and today I am doing a Halloween look. I know a lot of people have been asking me, girl, when you gonna do that Halloween look? I am gonna do something that takes me way back. I'm gonna do a look that takes me way back. The Bratz dolls. I used to love the Bratz dolls. I had all the Bratz dolls. I had their salon. I thought they were really neat. So yes, I am gonna do an Bratz doll look. Okay? And I'm gonna dress up like a Bratz doll. But before we get into all that good old stuff, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. And also hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever your girl posts a new video. So let's get straight into this video. Alright, so I'm back. I did my brows. Now I am about to do my eyeshadow. Let me show you guys the look I'm going for. So this is something similar to something I'm going for the Bratz doll. So I'm going in using some browns, some whites, and let's see how this turns out. So I'm going in my Autumn Leaf Beauty, palette. I'm using Brilliant Scarlet, and I'm using just like this tan color as my base for my eye. I think I did, let me zoom in. Yeah, so this is the eye for the Bratz look. It was kind of difficult. That's why I didn't do it on camera. So I'm going in with this brown. That brown, and just like I said, first I'm patting it, and I'm bringing it all the way up to my brow. Patting it, and I'm bringing it all the way up to my brow. Now I'm gonna do circular motions to spread it. So then I just took some white concealer, and I took like a fine small flat brush, and I just dipped just a little bit, and basically I did like a small cut crease, just a small one. Yeah, it looks terrible, but trust, it's gonna look good towards the end. It's gonna look like this one. I just took some of that white, and I'm just patting it on top of that white concealer. All right. Now to part. Now I went in, now that I have the white eyeshadow on top of the white concealer, I'm going in to give myself a wing, connect it, do whatever I did on this side, on this eye. And I am using my Maybelline. Look at that fine tip. I like, this is actually my favorite eyeliner. Show what I did first. I just basically my wing. First I started off at the end of my eye and just drew some lines like a triangle. Like a triangle. Make sure they are the same. Make sure they are the same. And then I just connect it down. Okay. Now I'm gonna do like a half a circle until it connects to the end of the wing. And the lashes that I'm using is from my brand Autumn Leaf Beauty. Autumn Leaf Beauty. And these lashes are Sugar Maple. Now that I'm done with my eyes, like look at the eyes. I think I did a pretty good job. Now it's on to applying my foundation. I am gonna prime it. And this primer that I'm using is from Bare Minerals. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just blend that foundation on in. So I got my foundation on. Let me move back. I have my foundation on. Now I'm about to conceal using, you know what concealer I'm using. Y'all know what concealer I'm using. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer. Starting to look like is it starting to come together, the look? Give me your opinion. Now I'm gonna set my concealer. Yes. I don't know what setting powder I want to use. I've been really let me tell you what powder I've been feeling lately. This Wet n Wild setting powder and deep. This right here, I've been feeling this. I got this from CVS. Yes, CVS. Look how much you get. I want your nose to be snatched too. Now while that is set, I'm gonna do my under eye, and I'm going in with some black eyeliner underneath my waterline, on my waterline. Now it's time for me to take off this powder. Here's my bronzer. Now I'm gonna add some bronzer, just to add some more color to my face. I'm going back in with the same brush. With that same brush. The bronzer that I'm using is from Juvia's Place. Some good bronzer. And I'm just, like I said, adding some more color to my face. Now it is time for me to set this bad boy. I'm gonna use like my brown lipstick. The lip I'm going for is like a very nude lip. Yeah, that's my fiance. That's his loud ass car. So I'm gonna go and do my hair, and I'll be back with my outfit with the complete look. Okay, looking like a whole Bratz style. Oh man, I forgot one more thing. I forgot to add some color underneath my I think I'm done with this look. I'm gonna go get dressed and I'll be back. Girl. Am I giving you Bratz vibe? Huh? The makeup, how does the makeup look? Bratz? Bratzy? guys can see. Bratzy. Little Bratz outfit today. This is the final look for it all. My makeup. So, let me put my glasses back on. So this video is coming to an end, and before I end this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. Follow me on all my social media platforms, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about this look, this Halloween look that I'm not wearing outside. And yeah, I see you guys next video, and have a happy Halloween.